Sa Amerika, wala naman akong away, except that it's a land of hypocrisy. There are about 40,000 Americans killed every year, drug-connected. They supplied arms to those who fought in the cartel. Yung si Oliver North, remember that North that he was sentenced to prison? Yun. Siya yung nagpagador, siya yung nagbigay ng armas doon sa mga Meksikano. Yung oil. Tayo may arbitral. Gusto nila i-push talaga na ano. Bakit ba ako maghanap ng away? If I send the Marines there, they'll be wiped out in just 1 minute. There'll be a disaster. We have no might. Kaya yung mga aid, we will get it somewhere. Saka hindi na ako tatanggap. Kasi sabi nila, it was just put off. Tell America na yung sponsor ng... You can have your millennium 400 million. China promised me 50 billion. They even 6 billion dollars available next year. Tapos yung lahat-lahat na 50 billion. Pati yung trabaho inasabi ko, hindi man bigyan si Tugadi ng Congress ng pera. Wala talagang solusyon, sabi ko. There can be no solution sa EDSA if you do not come in. And they have agreed. So at least more than mga 50 billion papasok sila. So I thank China.